Hey guys, so over the weekend I got to spend some time in this very unique hotel called Hotel Mono. This hotel is nestled in the shophouse district in Chinatown and neatly blends into the surrounding buildings. It's a very short 5-minute walk from the Chinatown MRT train station and has many amenities around. As the name suggests, the hotel was designed in a monochromatic style, giving it a very elegant but simplistic look. But let's have a quick tour of the room to give you a gauge of the space and what the room includes. So this room is the standard double room. At the time of this video, it cost $128 a night. When entering the room, you'll first see the spacious queen-sized bed with some pillows and blankets. The bed is neatly lifted off the ground with a very simple 4-legged bed frame. Around the bed, you'll also notice a couple of accent lights that illuminate these black bars. A very simple and elegant design that levels up the quality of this hotel's design. Right behind the bed is a study desk, great for getting some quick work done or to simply store your bags and belongings. Right next to that is the mini bar, which comes with a small fridge and some chilled water, great for our humid Singapore climate. Above that, we have some complimentary coffee and tea satchels, as well as a hot water boiler. Next, let's check out the bathroom, which is surprisingly spacious. It's quite a long bathroom and the mirror does a great job of making the space look bigger. This bathroom has a beautiful mosaic tiled shower with a seating. I particularly like the way the light enters through the window to fill the shower area with natural light. Above the sink, you'll find a complimentary vanity kit that includes various items such as bottled shampoos and soaps, shaving kits, shower caps, and other necessities. Now, I didn't manage to film much around the hotel, but thanks to photographer Kai, who kindly gave me permission to use his photos, I'm able to show you some idea of the common spaces like the main lobby, the stairwell, as well as the common areas of the upper levels. There are many other types of rooms to suit every budget, and perhaps I'll check them out next time for you guys. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.